Alright, I'm trying to restore the windshield on my 2000 Honda Helix with this Novus plastic polisher. This comes with 3 bottles: Clean, Shine, Protect, Fine Scratch Remover, and Heavy Scratch Remover. I'm just going to try the Fine Scratch Remover and see how it works. I'll take you over to the Helix, show you what we're working with. I've done a little sample test and it looks promising. Alright, as you can see here, I've got all this. I don't know if you can really see how bad it is, but it's pretty nasty. But this little spot here I tested it on, and it looks like it's going to work really good. So I'm going to go ahead and mainly just hit this perimeter, because the middle here is in good shape. And I'm going to try it out. And so anyway, here's the before. I don't know how well you can see how nasty it is in there. And I'll come back with an after. Okay, all done, and it worked really good. The windshield looks pretty much crystal clear now. I don't know how well this will show on video. You can see there's maybe right around the edge here where it was just hard to really get that polish in there. You can see a little bit of leftover there, but I'm sure I could get that out if I, hit it again with some elbow grease. But yeah, that's it looks like a pretty dang near new windshield compared to what it was. And as of this recording, that stuff's only 25 bucks, so it's a lot cheaper than getting a whole new windshield. So yeah, I would highly recommend it. If you got a yellowed up nasty old windshield, give this stuff a shot first. I'll put a link down below in the description. All right, later.